Okay, Tuesday morning. I just want to give a little update. I think I've missed a couple, but anyway, all the paint's stripped off. It now needs to just get a general wash and cleaning, but all the paint's off of it. We got back bumper painted, front bumpers, or the tongue of the trailer's all redone. I cleaned up pretty nice. And then we've got most of the painting inside done. Little entryways stained there. Kitchen tiles all done. Running some propane lines right now. And then once the propane lines are in, I can put the countertop in. Swapped out to a little different bathroom light. Shower tiles all in. The closet desk area is stained and painted. The mini split mount is in. Dog kennel area is all painted. All the ducts are ran. Not quite finished, but they're all ran. This wall's on, painted. Skylights are in. It's coming along. Countertop's all done, just ready to be waiting on being installed. And then we also got the access door cut in yesterday. Here's the other side. Here's the access panel for the garage. Definitely should have painted it gray, but my brother's call. Open this up. Then there's the garage area.